Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mad Investor. As you know, I like to cover a lot of topics, cool programs, exchanges, and also some DEXs. And this time coming to you with the cool DEX, which is also working with a really big exchange. And obviously for me, that's a really plus sign when it comes to something which, I would put my trust with. And this time I'm talking about the Biswap.org. They are a really cool exchange with a really low trading fee in DeFi space, which is 0.2%. This is something which is really low when you compare it to all the other DeFis out there. And also they do exchange fee reimbursement up to 50% in their token BSW. So as you can see, this is a pretty cool thing when it comes to, their DEX. And obviously, you can just go through the DEX and see more info about it, but I want to cover few important things which really took my attention. And the first one is their MultiReward Pull trade to earn. This is something which it's really cool because you can be a BSW holder, which is their token, and actively trade on Biswap to earn multi-crypto rewards. As you can see, APY 1,293 with a total active over 2 million BSW. That's 224,000 total user rewards. That's pretty cool because obviously when you look at promotions and stuff like that, it's good to find something which is, fitting your needs. And how does it work? You just take your BSW to MultiReward Pull, provide your BSW with trading volume and earn rewards. It's pretty cool because obviously when you look at different projects, you look at different DEXs and different farms, pools, etc. You always look at the ratio of the APY and the risk, right? So here I can see it's pretty cool. As also I will cover at the end why I think it's important to look into Biswap as because of their cooperations. So another thing which I really like is that they have the 10 million global incentive program. So you can become eligible for a variety of growth opportunities, and the projects are based on the BNB chain. As in general, Biswap, it's based on BNB chain. So when it comes to Biswap, this incentive program has a $10 million fund to effective collaboration and support for upcoming and existing projects on the BNB chain network. You can see what can you expect, get up to 100% fee reimbursements, what does it mean in general? So up to 100% fee reimbursement for swaps with your token. You may use these funds for developing new high quality products, services, trading token, etc. So they actually put in an example, how much money would it be? So let's say the monthly trading volume with your token reaches $300 million, right? Within that, you may get up to 150,000 fee refunds. That's a lot of money to, extend your project, escalate, and put it into work. So they have actually few levels of global incentive programs, which starts from basic, expand, and advanced. You can actually see what this level kind of help you out. So with the basic level, you already have up to 100% fee reimbursement, up to 20% referral, 75% fee reward for LP providers, and direct contact with the Biswap team. Then these guys are offering much more. I think it's pretty cool. But what's, it's giving an opportunity for people who have their projects on BNB chain and want to expand it. One of the few last thing which I would like to share with you, it's actually their participation and working with Binance. So Biswap is actually on the Binance blockchain week. They appeared and they had their own also kind of like a turn the wheel Biswap branded items. We can see that, because of it, Biswap is already working with Binance, and you can also see that when you go to Binance and try to stake BSW, you can see that they are partners. You can also see more on their landing page through the Binance Blockchain Week and actually see Biswap as one of their partners. This is pretty cool because such a thing allows a great partnerships of programs like this. And within the Biswap, with total value locked at this moment, $330 million and over $50 billion total trading volume, it's something cool, because obviously we're looking at DEXs, we're looking at DeFi projects which are stable, which are not disappearing. And if someone works with Binance, and on top of it they also have the certic audit, so as you can see, this is one of the best audits which someone can do, I think it's pretty cool. But this is just a review video to just show you that you can play around Biswap, you can have some nice multi-reward pulls and earn some good APYs. I'll also cover some separate videos about their other programs and some special features, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, so thanks to it you're up to date with everything what's going on. And obviously, like, if you want more videos like that, leave a comment, as I want to see guys what you like, what more content you would like to see in the future. Take care.